Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the beautiful day with the great and perfect health with the mercies of Allah Almighty. And today I am back with my another kind of video of footwear, sandals, and very beautiful kind of slipper as you see on the screen, and the very nice kind of like very light green and pistachio color combination of these two, and the shiny thing and the V shape from the front make it more amazing, and the floral designs, it look really good and pretty. And this one is also a really beautiful kind of heel, and it looks really good and really pretty. And as you see, this one is also a really nice red color kind of heel, and like the shiny thing and the shiny material on the heel make it more beautiful and enhance the overall look of your heel and make it more interesting and beautiful. So today's video is gonna do end. I will see you in my next YouTube video. So see you in the next YouTube video. Bye bye, and thanks for watching this video.